So after quite a long gap, 70mi is finally back with a new product launch in this going on Prime Day sale. And that's the 70mi A410, an entry-level dual-channel dashcam offering you some real value for money features and coming in at a price of about 7,999. But in this ongoing Prime Day sale, you'll probably get it at 7,200 rupees only. So the A410 is kind of a baby brother for the A510, wherein the A510 offers you a high resolution, better sensor, more clarity and all the stuff. This one offers you a complete package within the 8,000 price segment. That includes a Quad HD 1440p resolution with HDR. You also get a full HD resolution at the back. Additionally, you also get a built-in GPS into the camera. You get a display in the camera. Basically, it's the same looking camera like the A510. You get 70mai's proprietary super night vision tech, which enhances the nighttime video quality from this camera. You get a parking monitoring support via a separate hardware kit. You also get a G sensor based emergency recording on collision or even on demand by pressing the emergency record button on the dash camera. You also get Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi and a 70mi app support. So one of the things that works in the favor of this camera is that under the price bracket of 8,000, or should I say close to 7,000 rupees, you're getting a nice little display, you're getting built-in GPS and you're getting a Quad HD resolution, on top of it a HDR one. Additionally, since this is from the brand of 70mi, many people tend to prefer the reliability, the popularity of 70mi, so that too works in its favor. The overall video quality from this camera is also quite decent. I mean, I got a really small window to test out this camera before this Prime Day sale, but based on my testing, I really found the front camera video quality to be more than enough. Has a softer image, but the overall quality is simply good. You also get a more sharper and a more punchy and a slightly higher saturated rear camera view, but still good enough for number plate reads. Talking about number plates, the front camera has a really nice soft image quality. You can see the number plate right here of the car in front, and even in terms of the rear camera, you get a decent number plate read at a close range. So all in all, both the front and the rear cameras working together to give you a flawless 1440p HDR and a full HD rear video camera quality. Additionally, in the box pack of the camera, you do get electrostatic stickers, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. You also get a user manual for the front and the rear camera. Additionally, the 70mi camera itself basically resembles the A510 in every single way except for the technical specifications. Of course, you also get a full HD rear camera, which is 360-degree rotatable but doesn't get any LED illumination. You also get a power cable, a L-shaped Type-C connector for the rear camera cable and a regular USB-A cable for the main front camera. You also get a 12-volt charger, which gets 2 dedicated USB ports right inside. You also get 2 additional stickers for the front and the rear camera, just in case if you want to replace them. And for the front camera, you get a sliding mechanism, sliding windshield mount, which can ensure that you can remove the camera whenever you want. You also get a wiring installation tool right inside the box. So overall, considering the price value, considering the features of this camera, I definitely consider this to be a worthy investment. If you are somebody who is looking for an entry-level dual-channel segment dashcam, you don't have a budget of beyond 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. You want to ensure that you're getting both front and the rear of the car recorded. You want GPS, you want a punchy 1440p resolution and HDR, and of course the brand backing and the service support and the service reliability that 70mi offers. You should definitely go ahead and grab the A410 right now, because this is the biggest discount you're gonna get in this Prime Day sale. The price from 7,999 to about 7,100 rupees. That's a lot of savings. So go ahead and grab it right now. The purchase links are provided right down below in the description. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, go ahead, write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So I'll be bringing up a full detailed review of the A410 pretty soon, because basically I had a very small time in order to test out the camera before the Prime Day sale. So I'll be working on the full review video, and of course I'll be bringing out that video soon as well. So if you don't want to miss that important video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a super cool budget dual dash cam in this Prime Day sale. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.